Tiny house movement is no longer just a trend for minimalists and people looking for cheaper places to live. It has become a response to some of the biggest problems people face today. The rising home prices, the overwhelming expenses, a desire for that freedom, and the feeling that owning more doesn't always mean living absolutely better. And across the world, more people are asking a simple question: what if a smaller home could actually create a bigger life? Tiny houses are changing the way people think about housing, money, and even success. And for decades, the dream was simple: buy the biggest house you can afford, fill it with the possessions, and keep upgrading. But that dream has become harder to reach. Home prices have increased dramatically. Interest rates have made mortgages more expensive, and many people are realizing that a traditional home can come with decades of financial pressure. And a tiny house offers a different path. Instead of spending most of their income on a mortgage, some owners are choosing a smaller space that allows them to save money, travel more, or focus on experiences instead of payments. And one of the biggest reasons tiny houses are becoming popular in affordability for many people, a traditional home feels completely out of reach. Younger generations, especially, are dealing with expensive housing markets, student debt, and higher living costs, and a tiny house can reduce the amount of money needed to become a homeowner. While prices vary depending on your design, your materials, and location, many tiny homes cost far less than conventional homes. And the lower prices does not just affect the purchase, it can also reduce monthly expenses like utilities, maintenance, insurance, and property taxes. And another major reason people want tiny houses is freedom. A large home often means larger responsibility, and more rooms mean more cleaning, more repairs, more furniture, and more time spent maintaining things. And a smaller home forces people to focus on what they actually use and value. And many tiny homeowners describe their lifestyle as freeing because, they are no longer surrounded by unnecessary possessions. Instead of spending weekends maintaining a house, they can spend more time with the family, pursue hobbies, or explore new places. And the rise of the remote work has also accelerated interest in tiny homes. When people are no longer tied to a traditional office, they have more flexibility in where they live. Some tiny homes are built with workspaces, allowing owners to combine living and working in one efficient area. And this has opened a door for many people who want a simpler lifestyle without being locked into one expensive location. And a person can potentially live closer to nature, move when opportunities change, or design a home around their personal needs rather than following a traditional housing model. Environmental concerns are another reason tiny houses are gaining attention. Smaller homes generally require fewer materials to build and less energy to heat and cool, and many tiny homes are designed with substantiation in mind, using solar panels, efficient appliances, recycled materials, and smart layouts for people who want to reduce the environmental impact. A tiny house represents a way to consume less while still having a comfortable place to live. And the tiny house movement also connects with a growing interest in minimalism. Modern life encourages people to constantly buy more things, and but many are beginning to question whether possessions actually create that happiness. Tiny homes require owners to carefully decide what deserves space in their lives, and every item has to serve a purpose. And this can create a feeling of organization, of control that many people find missing in larger homes filled with that clutter. And technology has also made tiny homes more practical than ever. Designers are creating innovative solutions that maximize every inch of space. The foldable furniture, hidden storage, multi purpose rooms, and smart home systems allow tiny houses to feel much larger than their square footage suggests. And a well designed tiny home is not simply a smaller version of a traditional home. It is a completely different approach to using space efficiently. However, tiny houses are not perfect for everyone. Living in a small space, it requires that adjustments. Privacy can be limited. The storage requirements, the careful planning, and some locations have strict rules about where tiny homes can be placed. And families with children or people who need personal space may find the lifestyle very challenging. And the reality is that tiny living requires intentional choices and a willingness to prioritize simplicity. Even with these challenges, the popularity of tiny houses continues to grow because they represent something bigger than just a small building. They represent a change in how people define success. And for many years, success was measured by the size of a house, the number of possessions someone owned, and the appearance of wealth. But today, more people are measuring success by the freedom, the flexibility, financial security, and the quality of life. And a tiny house can symbolize the ability to live with less pressure and more purpose. And the movement has also gained attention because it challenges traditional ideas about what a home should be. A home does not have to be thousands of square feet to provide comfort and security. It does not need extra rooms that rarely get used or expensive features that create more debt. And for many people, a home is simply a place that supports the life they want to live. And tiny houses are proving that a smaller footprint can still provide a meaningful living experience. As costs continue to rise and people rethink their priorities, the tiny house movement is likely to remain influential. It may not replace traditional housing, but it is giving people another option at a time when many are searching for alternatives. And the reason everyone wants a tiny house now is still not because everyone else suddenly wants less. It is because many people want more of what actually matters: more freedom, more time, more financial control, more opportunities to design life on their own terms. And the future of housing may not be about choosing between a massive home and a tiny one. It may be about creating spaces that matches the way people actually live. And some people may choose a tiny house over a permanent home, while others they may use one as a guest house, vacation property, rental, or a way to transition into a simpler life. And the biggest impact of tiny homes is that they encourage people to question old assumptions about money and space. They show that a comfortable life does not always require more square footage. In a world where many people feel overwhelmed by expenses and responsibility, and the idea of owning a smaller home with fewer burdens has become incredibly appealing. And tiny houses are not just buildings, they are a symbol of a larger shift towards international or intentional living. Thanks for watching today. If you found value in today's video, please subscribe. I don't know why I said international at that last line. It's intentional. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one tomorrow. Have a good day.